Okay, so we're on quick quiz 2, question 6. The quiz can be found at my website, www.goprocaribbean.com. It's in physics part 2. There's a little black box at the bottom of the page that you can click on to do the quiz. We have an air consumption question that's worded in a fairly confusing and difficult way, but it's an air consumption question nonetheless, consuming air at one depth and comparing that to air consumption at another depth. So the 1, 2, 3 approach will work. We'll need to do it twice. We're going to need to work out the percentage of our total supply we would consume at the surface, and then we'll have to move on and do it a second time to work out the percentage of the air we would consume at the second depth given to us in the question. So it's percentage questions. We've got 50% as our start point in the question there, so that is what we will write down underneath step 1. Then we have to decide whether we multiply or divide, remembering we're working out what will happen at the surface in this first round. Are we going to consume more air at the surface or less air at the surface than we would at the first depth of 36 meters? We're going to consume less air. We're going to consume a smaller percentage of our total air supply, so we need to divide to make the number 50 smaller. Then we're going to look at the first depth given to us in the question, the starting depth. So the starting depth is 36 meters in this question. So we take the pressure at 36 meters and enter that in under step 3, 4.6 atmospheres. So 50 divided by 4.6 will give us the percentage of our total air supply that we would consume at the surface. The question isn't asking that though, it wants to know the percentage we would consume at 13 meters. So we're going to take our 10.9 and we're going to move it down and enter it in as the first number in the second round of our 3-step process. Now we need to decide whether we multiply or divide. So we're going from the surface down to 13 meters. Are we going to consume more air at 13 meters or less air? We're going to consume more air at 13 meters than we would compared to the surface. What are we going to be multiplying by? We're going to multiply by 2.3, that is the pressure at 13 meters, and that gives us our answer. The correct answer is 25%, answer B. So if these videos are working for you, if you like the way I explain them, you might want to consider taking further training with me. I teach an instructor development course every month here on the beautiful sunny island of Roatan. Our water is clear, calm and warm. We have a beautiful, healthy reef system, lots of fish to see, turtles on almost every single dive. We also do technical training all the way up to Tech Trimix Instructor. So if you're already an instructor and you'd like to do some specialties or technical diving, then get in touch.